Today I'll be teaching you how to use OpenCode for beginners. First, go to the website opencode.ai. Then go to the top right corner, click on Download. Now, there are two ways to install OpenCode. The first way is to install OpenCode Terminal. The second way is to install OpenCode Desktop, which I'll show you in just a minute. First, let me show you how to install OpenCode Terminal. Now, if you are using Mac, then you copy the first command line, which has the word bash at the back. You open Terminal, paste this command line, then you press Enter. If you're using Windows, then you copy the second line, which starts with npm. So for this, you need to have Node.js installed on your computer first. So if you don't have Node.js installed on your computer, go to nodejs.org, click on Get Node.js, then scroll down, click on Windows Installer to download and install Node.js to your computer. Now I'm using Windows, so I will show you how to install OpenCode Terminal using the second command line. So I will copy this. Then I go to my Start menu and I search for PowerShell. Then I open PowerShell and then I paste in the command line. So I can press Ctrl V or I just right click to paste. Then press Enter to start installing OpenCode Terminal. Now to check that OpenCode is installed on your computer, just type OpenCode space -- version. Then press Enter. And you will see the version number over here. Next, let me show you how to use OpenCode Terminal. So I'm in my desktop now. I will create a new folder to show you an example. So I'll just write example. Then I right click on the folder and then I can open in Terminal. So this way you can open any folder in a terminal. Then you just type OpenCode. Then press Enter. And it will automatically open OpenCode for the folder. From here, you can start using OpenCode Terminal. If you want to select a model, just type /models, then press Enter. Then you can use your arrow keys to select which model you want to use. You can press down or up, then press Enter to select the model. Next, let me show you a simple example. So here I'm saying to build a single page HTML app for a Pomodoro timer. Then I press Enter and it will start to write the code. So when it's done, you can see that it tells me it created a pomodoro.html. So when I open the folder, you can see it created the pomodoro.html file and I can open it and you can see this is a fully functional Pomodoro app. Next, let me show you how to set up OpenCode in VS Code. So go to the top, click on Terminal, then click on New Terminal, and it will open the terminal below. So here's what I like to do. I right click over here, and then I click on Move Terminal into Editor Area. And this way the terminal will use up the full space, so it's a lot easier to see. Next, type OpenCode and press Enter. And from here, you can start using OpenCode in VS Code. Next, let me show you how to install OpenCode Desktop. If you're using Mac, then you download the Mac OS version over here. Or if you're using Windows, then you can click on Download over here. So after you download it, open it to start installing OpenCode Desktop to your computer. And this is what you'll see when you open OpenCode Desktop for the first time. Click on the top left corner to open the sidebar. Then you can click on Open Project to open any folder. So I'll just create one for example. So I select this. And from here, I can start using OpenCode. I can choose Build or Plan mode. Then I can click here to select which model I want to use. So there are some models that you can use for free, so I'll just choose one for example. Next, let me show you a simple example. So I'll say create a Pomodoro timer in a single HTML page. So it's done. You can see it created a Pomodoro HTML page. Then I can go to the top. I click on this drop down. I can open the folder in File Explorer. And I can open it, and you can see we have a fully functional Pomodoro timer.